Hey everyone, welcome back to White Fortress Cybersecurity. In today's video, we are going to learn how to install and configure Sysmon. It is a powerful tool from Microsoft that helps you monitor system activity and detect suspicious behavior on Windows. So let's get started. So simply, I will provide the link of both Sysmon and the system internal suite. So you can either directly download the Sysmon or system internal suite has multiple tools that are used for digital forensics as well. Here I am downloading system internal suite for now. So here it will start the downloading procedure. Here I have already downloaded it for you. So now I will right click on it, WinRAR, and then extract the system internal suite. So I will now right click on it. Then I will extract this here. Here you can see system internal soup. Now I will move it to C drive and then program files. And here I will put this folder. So I'm putting this in the program files. Continue. So here you can see your system internal suite. And I will click on it. And here you can see multiple tools as well as your Sysmon. Here you can see sysmon.exe, but it will not work this way. So to install it, we have to have a configuration file as well. So for the configuration file, I have downloaded it from the GitHub and I will provide the link in the description below. Then go on the code, then download zip. It will start the download and here you can see system configure master zip file. So I will also extract this here. So here you can see I have extracted the file. Now I will open the file and here you can see that we have some files on it. What I will simply do is coming back to here, I will create a folder. Okay, in the system internal suite, I'm creating a separate folder for Sysmon to make it easy for you. So new folder, I'm naming it Sysmon and here Control X and then paste them in the folder. Control V. Now copy these files, Control C, or you can just cut Control X and then Control V. Okay, where you will have to open all the files. So here you can see in System Internal suite, I have Sysmon, and in Sysmon, I made a Sysmon folder, and in this, I put the Sysmon files, that is your sysmon64.exe. Now to run it, I will open CMD. And you should run it as administrator. So run as administrator, then yes. Then here you can see I have system 32. Then navigate. I will navigate to system internal suite. So cd, C. I'm giving the path, program files. You can also use tab to autocomplete. Then slash system internal suite, this internal suite. Then in this Sysmon. So I've navigated to the Sysmon folder here. You can also see if I dir here, you can see the sysmon.exe, sysmon64.exe, and there is one more file, system config export.xml. Now you have to put the command sysmon 64.exe, then hyphen accept the end user processing agreement. So for that, accept EULA. This is for accept the user processing agreement. Then hyphen I. Then you have to put this command sysmon config. Then enter sysmon config export.xml. Hit enter. So I already had the Sysmon installed. Okay, it will start installing in your system. Now you have to go to the event viewer. Now we will check if our Sysmon service is working or not. Go to the application and services logs. In this Microsoft, then go to the Windows. Then in Windows, you go to the Sysmon. Here you can see, you will see a folder here, then operational, then click on operational. Here you can see your Sysmon is working. So let's check it. Here I am running nslookup per se, nslookup www.whitefortress.in, enter. Here I have run this nslookup command. Now refresh it. Here you can see the commands and the timing. I hope it is clear how to run this Sysmon, and I will provide all the links in the description. Thank you for watching.